We are still building the hot dog cart from scratch, so I just wanted to let you guys know we have one panel here so far of the sheet metal, and just to point out to you guys, it is cold roll. We didn't go with plated because cold roll is standard and it's more durable than plated, because if you buy plated you might burn a hole in your in your sheet metal, so you don't want to burn a hole in your sheet metal. But we still need to get our waste tank. That's gonna probably not be on this side. This side, everything is gonna be opposite. I'm just for me, my little diagram, because this burner is going to be down this side, and yeah, everything's going to be opposite. But it's just a little layout for me to get all the guts and everything I need before I go with my second set of measurements, because it wouldn't make sense to do any more measurements without having everything I need to make sure they're going to fit in the right place, in the right spots. But this panel here is first because we're going to build a wall behind the burner that's going to separate this cooking area from our sink and our water, just our whole water system is going to separate that. And I also bought these rails. Now these rails I went with 3 feet. As you can see, the 3 feet is not all the way down to the end, because I'm going to build like a little storage area under. I'm building up a storage box for like utensils and extra things that I might need, extra tongs, extra whatever, ketchup, mustard bottles and stuff like that, just to go on the bottom, so we'll have that case if anything gets melted, burnt, or whatever, something weird happened. We just got extra stuff, you know, whatever. Aprons can go under there, extra aprons, whatever we may need. But that's why I went with the 3 and not the 4. Probably 20 instead of 18. 18 is thick. 18 is not. This is probably like 20 also, you know. I don't think it's 22 because it'll be flimsy. But yeah, just make sure you got cold roll for your sheet metal, and get 4 feet brackets. The brackets definitely got to go on the inside to hold up your surface, your top panel, your surface panel. So you're gonna need the brackets to hold that up, of course. You have to excuse my ugly slippers, my cheap ugly flip-flops. They look stank. But anyways, yeah, those are things you're gonna need, I guess, for your side panels, surface panel, side panels, front and back panels. You're gonna need your brackets, of course. You're gonna need a burner. Some people go with the 2. I went with the 3 because I'm not playing games. We're gonna be cooking up some sausage dogs, some brats, and some breads, or maybe some Nathans or whatever. We're gonna just do it up big for the people. And of course, you gotta have your water tank. And of course, you're gonna have to get a pump, most likely a 12-volt pump, and hot water heater. Now, when it comes to the hot water heater, I will explain the hot water heater. You gotta have specific stuff that meet the requirements for your state. If you don't know, you check with your health department. Always check with your health department first. That's what I did. That's what I'm going to continue to do. And I do need to call them back on some other stuff. But hey, research, and I guarantee you will be successful in doing this. It don't take much to do this. You know, you could buy a brand new hot dog cart for about $3,000 and turn around and build one for probably half that price, or even less. It's always been fun. I appreciate y'all watching, and until the next video, be blessed. Welcome back. We are still building the hot dog cart from scratch.